This video will show the step-by-step process for field installable connectors. Optronics Field Installable Connectors can be assembled in 4 easy steps: inserting the fibre, activating the tab, removing the jig, completing the assembly. The tools required for assembly include the stripping tool, cleaver and VFL light source. Remove the connector components from the bag. Slide the boot onto the cable. Now, using the template, measure and mark 50 mm of the cable from the free end. Select the stripping tool and, using the appropriate hole, strip the jacket. Once the cable jacket has been stripped, measure the cladding against the template. Again, using the stripping tool, strip off the 900 micron and 250 micron buffer to expose the 125 micron cladding. Using the template, measure and mark the secondary buffer. Finally, using the stripping tool, strip the 900 micron primary buffer to expose the 250 micron secondary buffer. Now check the cable is prepared to the appropriate dimensions on the template. Repeat the stripping process if incorrect. To clean the fibre, use a lint-free tissue and appropriate cleaning solution. Now clean the fibre with the moistened tissue. Using the precision cleave tool, cleave the fibre to the appropriate length. Now, check the fibre against the template. Ensure the plastic jig is attached to the underside of the connector. Insert the fibre into the connector until the fibre bends. This ensures the fibre has contact with the stub inside the connector. Press the activator tab to crimp the fibre and stub. You can check the bond using a VFL light source. Insert the connector into the light source and activate the source. If the fibre has passed, a small glow will show through the window. If it has failed, an obvious bright glow can be seen through the window. After testing, turn off the light source and disconnect the fibre. Remove the plastic jig from the connector and ensure the tab is pressed. Slide the boot up to the connector. Using a pair of Kevlar scissors, cut off the excess Kevlar. And then screw the boot onto the adapter. Insert the terminated assembly into the housing to complete the assembly process. That concludes the Field Installable Connector instruction video. Thank you for watching.